Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today I've got the EQT Support ADV from Adidas Originals, and this bad boy has got tons of style, whether you're at the gym or just hanging outside with your buddies. So let's go check it out. This cool low top sneaker is made with that super soft prime knit material on the upper, which is going to give you an excellent in-shoe feel, keep it really lightweight as well. You can also see we got some synthetic overlays on the side of the shoe running to the front, which not only add some support and stability, but it's giving it that really dope texture difference. We've got the nylon webbing with the 3 stripes. Everybody knows who's repping. And continues on the midsole. Really cool little stylish feature there. We've got the different striping in the woven material at the back to give you a nice pop of style, and of course those stripes continue through the midsole on the other side. So you can see how dope this sneaker is. Super fun, lightweight, comfort. I'm gonna keep you styling all day. So go pick up yours. They're from Adidas Originals.